rpmxboy13. And today, I'm sorry for all the noise that happened yesterday. Jeez. I'm sick, and I'm sorry if I cough a lot. I'm just gonna have to end the video. I'm sorry because I haven't been here for a couple days, and actually, yeah, I've been here yesterday. Okay. Yeah. So I gotta show you something that is going to happen right now in my grandpa condition. So I am absolutely a WWE superstar, John Cena. Sorry. So we're gonna take John Cena with his muscle abs. Look at those abs. Sorry. Look at those.
Hey, my name is rpmxgirl13.
Yeah.
And my name is Ladybug the Wolf.
Here we go, people. So we're gonna take John into an epic. Really? Oh, sorry, people, sorry. So we're gonna take Cena into an epic survival game. So here we go. Here we go, survival games. I'm in survival games. Hey guys, Lilly the Arctic Web's gonna join us today. And if you would subscribe to him, he is, I don't know how much subscribers he is, but he's gonna be epic today. So you're the red guy, right? So you're the red guy, right? Oh yeah, you are.
I see you, Sayed.
Where?
I'm over here.
Oh, I see you. Wait, stay there. You see me? That's me, John Cena.
Let's go.
So we'll go both. So you know how it looks.
Lead me to the red. Let's go to the red. Let's go in here.
No, not in there. We're gonna play the Hunger Games. Look, number 4. Come on, let's go to number 4.
Wait.
Right here. Come on, go.
I am coming.
Seriously, you're a freaking lie.
I'm here already. Gonna join number 4.
Alright, I'm joining.
Well, I just joined number 4.
I see you.
Hi.
Sup?
I'm right next to you, right?
Yeah, you're right next to me. So
do like this.
Look.
Look at me.
Looking at you. So we're gonna. So the rule is, you know how to play survival games, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, you're a biddo.
Give me a sword, okay, Sayed?
Yeah, you don't get a weapon.
And let's find some. Go kill some VIPs, okay?
Alright, but they're a little bit hard. I'm a little bit scared of them.
I know.
We always die for them, right?
Hey, Lily.
Alright,
I'm behind you.
Yeah, that's good. Ooh.
I'm behind you. Bill.
Oh, how do I look? Alright, killing spree. Oh, this guy sounds tough.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hi, look at me. Bill.
Your booty. Look at my booty. You want to see my booty? Look at. Shake it about.
Look at my butt.
30 seconds. You might give. Oh yeah. Alright. Look toward the chest so you can guess quickly. It started in 30 seconds.
Let's see all the set up swords, okay? It's like.
Oh God! I'm not focused. Fuck you! Remember, you're too young to say that. Oh, I got a sword. Oh, fucking weak sword. Come on. Oh, no, you don't take my carrots.
So you have 2 swords for me?
I have a sword for you. Just
Give
wait.
it to me.
Oh, no, I lost it. Oh, shit, these bastards took it. Alright, you see me? Alright, follow me. You see me? After me?
Where are you?
Where are you? I'm looking. Oh, you see him. Stay there. I'm right here. Follow me. Oh, we're not invincible. You gotta get the fuck out of here.
We will have the same armor.
Oh, find out the Freddy's! Help! Oh, shit.
Oh, yay! Ouch! Ouch!
Come on, let's go. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
You're following me?
Yeah.
But kill this guy. Kill me. He's after me. You see Fight After Freddy, right? Yeah. Oh, that was after us. Oh, shit. Is there a chest around?
Slippery. Oh, no! He's got me!
That's me.
I need help! I need help!
Like, you're so scared of everything. Alright, we gotta find a weapon because I had two swords. I don't know what the fuck happened. Alright, let's see it. Do we get a bunch of levels? They're like 2 billion or something. Oh, this guy sees us. Where are you? Alright, come on, focus. Follow me. I think I found something.
Hey, no, I can come in.
Shit.
Don't get a chest. Don't get a chest, okay? Don't find a chest, okay?
I need a chest so we can fight people. Come on, Adela, follow me. I'll be Joshua, whatever.
My name is Cute Boy. Dynamite will start in 6 minutes.
Oh, VIP! Come on, let's go, Joshua. You getting attacked?
Yeah!
Let's go!
If someone's killing me, that's why
He ran away. Oh my god.
Lava!
Who cares? Oh, the guy's coming! We have to both defeat him with our strength, alright? We got muscles.
He's dying!
Die, you bitch! Die, bitch! Let's go!
Die, bitch! Get him!
Oh, shit. Oh, give me our sword! Oh, you got a weapon?
I got a stick.
Oh, I got a weapon for you, though. Here.
Oh, thank you.
Here's a gold sword. And I got pants for you. Here. Give it back. We're okay. Give it back to her, Joshua.
Wait, I'm gonna put his pants on.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
Okay, Jacob, go.
Alright, follow me. You got a weapon, right? Stop. Ah! Ow!
Ow.
You okay?
Where are you, Saya?
I'm right here. How can you not see me?
Oh, you up there?
Jennifer, is she
here? Are you here?
Alright. My sister's hurt.
A VIP!
A VIP? What? No,
VIP!
That's not a VIP. Let's just go kill him.
Yeah, go kill him!
Both of us! Are you freaking scared?
Go kill him with Saya!
Ah! Help me! What the hell? Fuck you! Jump in.
Fuck you, idiot!
I got him.
He's gonna kill that young!
Oh, he ain't gonna kill him. Oh no, I'm stuck! Oh shit.
Oh shit, Blaze!
Oh, I got him. Yes!
Yeah! Diane needs to eat! I need another sword. Please give me a honey next.
Let's see what this guy got. Oh, this guy's a bitch. Alright, chicken. Yeah. Alright, here's a stone axe.
Give me a stone axe.
Yeah.
Do you have a stone axe?
I'm gonna give you some armor.
I already got some armor. He needs some boots and a helmet.
I got boots.
Give it to me.
What happened?
His head. She fell. She fell down.
Why didn't you tell me to come here?
I told you.
You got boots?
Yeah, I gave it to her. Oh,
It's gonna start in 3 minutes.
oh shoot, what else do I got for you? I got nothing else.
Give it to me.
Are you ready to fight people? Come on, let's go fight people.
Wait, in my helmet.
I don't gotta help it. Let me see what I got. Oh my god. You got another diamond? You got another diamond? Let me see if you got another diamond. Your inventory is not good. Oh, you don't have a diamond. I wish you did because if I found a crafting table and I had 2 diamonds and a stick, I could make a diamond sword.
For who?
For me. Only for me. No.
There's no VIP.
There's no VIP. We killed him.
There's a guest.
No,
You're
that's
a guest.
that's me. That's me. That's me.
You know, I'm not a guest anymore.
Joshua, let's go. I mean, Javier, whatever. Come on, follow me. Follow me, I'm right here. Come on.
Wait for me, okay?
Let's go. Hurry. What are you doing?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, whatever. Come on, we gotta kill some people so we can get some better armor and stuff. I can't believe VIP. Let's go kill this guy. Come on, let's go, alright?
Let's go get a VIP.
Come on.
Help.
What the hell, Javier?
He gets a diamond sword.
Javier, help!
Kill him.
You help me, bitch.
Run. Stop being a scary cat.
Who, me?
Emily's here.
Oh, shit.
Shot it.
Help me!
Ow.
How is he?
He's about to die.
I'm about to die.
No, Yaya's dead.
I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Alright, you're doing. You're good. No! So,
What are you saying?
so if you guys enjoyed this video, oh my god, we're so close.
It's right here. Bye.
Bye everyone. I hope you have a great